Welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to give you a little update on the 3D printed wall art LED smart panel, or I don't know what the order of the words is. 3D printed smart LED wall panel or LED smart wall panel, I don't know. It's a wall panel with LEDs and it's smart, controllable through an app and or Home Assistant. But that project is coming along nicely. It took a lot, and I mean a lot more effort than I initially thought and expected. I probably over-engineered every little aspect of it, but in this project that I estimated a couple of weeks is becoming almost a few months now. But the progress is coming along very nicely, and it just has been a lot of hours and a lot of work. I hope to transform that into video soon, because I recorded everything and I've about 30 or 40 hours of video worth, so that I have to go through and edit as well. I'm planning to do that in 3 videos. The main product video, or the feature video, an assembly manual for the people who want to create it themselves as well. The idea is to put everything online, that you can print this project as well with just a few additional elements like LEDs and a backplate, and you can recreate the project with all the effort that I put into it. Yeah, you can skip that and create a nice LED wall panel from scratch. And a final video where I go into all the technical details. I think it will be way too long for a main video if I put everything in that initial product or showcase feature video, because there's hours and hours of me redesigning things, trying to do something different, and I know some of you are really interested in that aspect and project as well, or process, but it will be just too much for the main video, I think. So I'm gonna try to keep that nice and interesting and just a brief video showcasing the features and how everything works and so on. But I'm really happy with how it's going so far. And you might remember this room, you might have seen it a couple of times already, just in a different setting. This is the space above our garage, and we use this mainly for storage. So there's a bit more outside noise. I hope that doesn't come through, because there's a plane flying over now. I can hear that. I have to do something about the echo, but what I want to do is I want to create another recording space here next to my sort of maker space and below, where I have my 3D printers running. They might eventually come upstairs here as well. I don't know that, because it's already a little bit humid and hot here. It gets a little bit hotter here than the rest of the house. So that's yeah, something I've been working on as well. While the printers are running, I can come up here and clean a little bit and make a little bit of space. So I ordered a new desk for my main setup below and for my wife as well. So I have a spare desk that will be coming up here, so I can also do talking head videos and showcasing some items. Because I always found that a little bit hard to do in the setup below, because I'm always with my back facing the table, and there's not really a nice setup to present something or talk about something that you're having in your hands as well. So I hope that will improve the video quality for the future videos as well. And for all the other projects and so on, I'm looking at ways to monetize my efforts, so I can just keep throwing money at very expensive hobbies that don't really bring much back at this moment. So I also set up a Buy Me a Coffee page. So if you like my projects that you can print for free, you can buy me a coffee now, just as a little bit of an incentive for me to keep doing nice new projects for you and making free and online models available to you as well. So it's just an option. You don't have to do that. Don't feel forced. You really don't have to. And you can also just keep supporting me by just watching the videos, liking the videos, and subscribing to my channel and watch my future videos. Or previous videos, of course. That helps me as well. So yeah, very long days, very long hours, and way too much time in Blender. And going back and forth between 3D prints and tweaking the designs. I'm in the final phase now of putting everything together, but yeah, I'm almost at the assembly stage. I have all the parts together. Printers are running on the last few parts that I need for this project, and then we can finalize it. I hope within, it's so hard to say, to estimate when the deadline has shifted a few times already, but within a few weeks I hope to present you the latest 3D printed smart LED wall panel thing and share my experience with you. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of my future contents and especially the project coming up. And I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.